I'm a jungle baby. My side of the jungle crazy. Been on my grind, I ain't stumbled lately. My time to shine and they cannot shake me. I feel like Ron, cause this is my test. I let you down and you ain't like.
Alright, YouTube, so in today's video I'll be making breakfast. I'm just gonna make some eggs, some sausage, and some toast. So something quick. I was gonna go to the gym today, but I changed my mind. So let's get into it. Let me show y'all my ingredients. These sausages with some cream cheese on my toast. I got 2 eggs. I'm just gonna make something light for today. It's early, it's snowing outside, so I'm just gonna make something light, not too heavy. Just something light. But let's get into it. So I'm gonna start off with my eggs first. So it's all right here. Take this one out. Ooh. Alright, I got to pick the time. I'm gonna make 2 eggs. I'm gonna make 2 eggs. Cheese. I'll do this cheese. Just a little bit. Add that salt and pepper. So now I'm about to start on the sausages. Let me open this up. Let me put y'all down real quick. These sausages. Let me open this up. Already got my pan on. We're gonna cook 3 of these. Make sure y'all wash your hands after touching meat too. So put y'all right here. Always wash your hands. Always wash your hands after touching meats and stuff. I've never made these sauces. I like them. My mom always made them. I never made them myself. So I don't know what I'm doing with those. So let me get another pan out for my eggs. Gonna put some butter. I'm gonna put my eggs. Not too much butter, just a little bit. This right here. So this is going on so far. I'm gonna cook these for like 4 minutes on each side, just to make sure they cook fully through. And yeah, I just put a little butter in this pot. This pot not hot enough. Enough for 6. Just gonna let these cook for a minute. Then when these almost done, I'll bring y'all back. And show y'all everything put together at the eggs. Alright, I just flipped the sausages. And this is my eggs. I'm gonna wait till these are almost done and start up on the eggs and my toast. But I'm gonna wait till it's all these sausages are done. Then start my other stuff. So I kept on in a few minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna cut into one of these to make sure see if they done or not. So let's see. I don't really know. Okay. Yeah, they done. You can't see they like the pretty gray in the middle. There's no pink, and I'm not gonna cut all of them. I basically had them all in this thing. I'm not gonna cut into all of them. But I'm gonna start on my eggs. Now I'm probably gonna put some more butter in this thing, but we're gonna take these out. So let me get this. I'm gonna take all these out the pot. Turn this oil. No, I'll leave it there. So, move this pot over here. Cut this out off. Put this out here. Turn that out. So now, some more butter in this pot. And then start on my eggs. Give me one. Alright, so I'm gonna put my eggs in here, and I got the spoon because I never really cook my eggs with a fork. Just make it easier with a spoon, so I'm gonna pour these in here. Put them in there. Let them sit for a minute. Let them sit for a minute. I had to turn my pot off, but just same after. And so I'm gonna let them sit for a minute just to get. Just let them get the pot to heat up. Oh, I gotta wash all these dishes. Well, it's only 2 pots this time, so it don't really matter, but let that sit for a moment. To be honest, I just wanted to whiten up around all the edges like here. And that's how I know it's ready to like stir. That's what my grandma told me, like let them sit for me and then stir. Yeah, so. It was crazy, like the last like year and a half, I just started liking cheese on my eggs and in my eggs. Like I never used to like cheese. I don't know where I went and I had cheese on eggs. I'm like, man, this got hit. So that's right. Let me put y'all down and get this up, and then I'll show y'all the final product. Catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all. Got my eggs, my sausage, and I got my toast in there. Now I need to wash. For a moment, I just want to talk to y'all. So, I'm trying to be more consistent on YouTube, and I'm gonna try to post 2 videos a week, 3 if I can. If that consists of vlogs, reactions, challenges, basketball. We play a lot of basketball, so I'm gonna try to be way more consistent in the upcoming weeks to come. I got videos that I'm recording with friends. I'm gonna put my friend's YouTube channel in the link. So make sure y'all just like, comment, and subscribe, and run these likes up. So I'm about to be way more consistent and way more. I'm about to get a camera, so stuff is about to start. Quality on these videos is about to be different. Way more cooking videos, because I cook on my free time. It's just I never record it, so way more consistent. So thank y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and then hit the like button. That's all I can add. On the road to 100 subscribers by the end of next month. Come on, let's get it. Alright guys, this is the finished project. I just got strawberry cream cheese and butter on my toast, normal stuff, eggs, sausages. And as I said before, make sure you like, comment, and share. And we out.
I'm a jungle baby. My side of the jungle crazy. Been on my grind, I ain't stumbled lately. My time to shine and they cannot